Stop listening to people who are trying to overcomplicate your journey of learning how to trade. You don't need to understand the big fancy words and all of the different technicals that you get with trading. All you have to understand is that the market seeks two things: areas of inefficient price action and liquidity. It will seek to rebalance inside inefficient price action, which is this buy side imbalance here. It will target liquidity. If you look at Euro USD, you can see we swept liquidity. You can see we are bearish to the downside. You can see we've got a lovely order block, and we've got this area of inefficient price action, which price reacted from to the downside. If you go to a smaller time frame, you can see the reaction from the weekly time frame has created a sell side imbalance right here. That is an area of inefficient price action. Where is it targeted? Liquidity. You can then see it created another sell side imbalance right here, which is an area of inefficient price action. Where is it looking to target? Liquidity. So my target on a lower time frame would be sell side liquidity, and I'm using the higher time frames, keeping things as simple as possible, and I'm not listening to any of the noise. I'm just trying to keep things as basic as I possibly can, and I can clearly see here this is very, very bearish, meaning that on a smaller time frame I'll be in a better position to look for sells in the premium sides of my range, targeting sell side liquidity. And all I'm trying to do is keep things as simple as I possibly can.
Here's why 96% of traders fail, and how you can join the winning 4%. Step 1. Get the Pips Gravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Links in bio. Inside, you'll learn how to spot market structure shifts so you know exactly when the trend changes. Step 2. Master liquidity and fair value gaps. The same concepts banks use to trap retail traders and take their money. Step 3. Use our tested entry techniques to enter with sniper precision and manage your risk like a pro. And Step 4. Follow our trade management plan to scale up without giving back the profits. Stop trading blind. Start trading with a blueprint. Pips Gravity Mastermind. Your prop firm pass starts here.